Hi everyone, it's Miss Lindsay from Preschool. Today my video is going to be a pretend cooking show where we actually get to eat something delicious at the end. These are called cat food cookies in my house, although they're not actually cat food, don't worry. These cookies are made on the stovetop, so they're a great thing for the whole family to do together. Just make sure you are doing this with an adult. Put your big soup pot on the burner and set it to medium-high. Put the sugar, the cocoa, the milk, the butter, and salt into your pot. And stir it up till it all melts. It's going to start to bubble. This is a good thing. We want to boil it for 1.5 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring the entire time. When it's done boiling, take it off the heat and quickly stir in the peanut butter, the vanilla, and the oatmeal. And mix well. After it's all mixed together, take a spoon and scoop spoonfuls onto a cookie sheet. Now pop them in the fridge and let them cool, and then they're ready to eat.